In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $100 per day launch jacking. I'm going to spend some time explaining exactly what launch jacking is, the 4 methods that you can use to get started, and at the end of the video, I'm going to go on a little bit of a rant on why I think that you should not do launch jacking. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First things first, what is launch jacking? Launch jacking is simply taking advantage of new launches that are coming out. Every single day, people are releasing digital products that ultimately can help them make more money, and you can jump on these trends and make a decent amount of income relatively quickly. And so let's go ahead and jump into my computer. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. The first thing that you want to do is go over to a website called muncheye.com, muncheye.com. And once you log in, you're going to see that there are all sorts of launches out there. There's a big launch coming out today on July 19th, the Cindy Donovan Dropshippy 2.0 at $37. There's all sorts of launches out here. Now, what I would recommend that you do is I'd recommend that you game plan at least 2 to 3 days out in advance. And the reason why you want to do that is that's when the big gurus are going to be sending out emails promoting these new products. And so if you want to take advantage of this new opportunity, you want to make sure that you're game planning. Like, for example, I would not have too much success releasing a review or a video or content for this product that just came out just today. However, I could see some success promoting the product that's scheduled to come out on July 26th. But the first thing that you want to do is you want to find a launch. The next thing you want to do is you want to click on the launch and apply to promote the program. Some of them require that you submit an application before. Others will allow you to just promote it. Now, if you're looking at a JVZoo or Warrior Plus product, you're going to have to apply it beforehand. Now, JVZoo and Warrior Plus are affiliate networks like Commission Junction, Impact Radius, some of the ones that I've talked about all the time on this channel. So what you're going to do is you're going to go out and find the product. Before you even create a video or a blog post, what I recommend that you do is you go through the product for yourself. You take a look, see what it does, see what it doesn't do. And you're going to create bonuses about some of the things that it doesn't do. The reason why you want to do this is it's going to help strengthen your argument, strengthen the product that you're promoting. And what a lot of these launch jacking gurus do is they'll go out and they'll give you $10,000 worth of bonuses for these products that are $37. It's all about getting their target audience to click and to buy. So step 1, find a product. Step 1B or step 2 is to put together a list of bonuses that are going to be congruent with this target audience. For example, this Dropshippy 2.0 is, I would assume, about dropshipping. And so maybe you want to create a bonus about how to get traffic to your dropshipping site. You could create a video or guide or training about 10 ways to get more traffic to the dropshipping site, to your dropshipping site, and you can make money. So step 2, very important, is you want to put together a list of bonuses. Now, one of my pet peeves, and I'll probably talk about this at the end, is that the bonuses are getting crazy. People are giving you $10,000 worth of bonuses for a $37 product. Don't do that. It's weird. A lot of people do it, but don't do that. Anyway, so that is step 2. Is you've got the product, you've got the bonuses. Now you need to figure out how to promote it. There are 4 different ways that you can promote it and make money. So let's talk about the easiest ways first. The easiest way to do it, and what a lot of people are doing, is they're creating a YouTube video. For example, I typed in Dropshippy 2.0 review, and you can see that there are tons of people creating content about this product and then offering bonuses. The good thing here is that I don't see people offering $10,000 worth of bonuses. If you've been around the block, you've been in affiliate marketing, you're going to see that there are those types of contents out there where they're offering $5,000, $7,000, $9,000 worth of bonuses, and their product is only $37. So step 1 is to create a review video. Now, if you watch any of these review videos, they're not really review videos as much as they're going over the product. They're telling you, they're spending about 5 minutes talking about what the product is and what it does and how it works. And then they're spending the other 15 minutes actually talking about all of the different bonuses that they get. So what I would recommend that you do when it comes to creating a review video in general is talk about both the good and the bad, what the product does and what the product doesn't do. Whatever the product doesn't do, you can actually create the bonuses that I mentioned earlier to help strengthen your argument as to why they should buy, okay? And so you're going to just simply create content, in this case, a YouTube video, talking about what it does, how it can actually help the target audience do whatever it is that they want to do. For example, Dropshippy 2.0, if it's about dropshipping, you can say, hey, look, it can help you increase your dropshipping sales 30, 40, 50%. And so you're just going to create one video. In fact, what I would do is I'd actually create maybe 3 videos to help get yourself up in the algorithm. But you can see that a lot of people are following this method and starting to see some results. So one way is simply to just create a YouTube video. A second way, and a lot of people are doing this as well, is to create a blog post. Now, if we look at this, I typed in Dropshippy 2.0 review. Top result here, it was uploaded a few days ago. And again, they're basically doing the same thing. They're just typing out what they think of the product. Now, if you read through this, in most instances, it's not an actual review. They're not talking about the good and the bad. They're just talking about the good. But if you want to gain the trust of your audience, talk about both the good and the bad. That'll help strengthen your argument. So you're going to simply create a blog post. And then within the blog post, once again, you're going to list out all of your different bonuses. Again, I can't stress this enough. Your bonuses must be congruent with the product that you are promoting. Okay. And so that is step number 2. Step number 3, and this is going to have some mixed results. You can actually use what's called solo ads. Solo ads are where you rent an email list from someone else. These big name gurus will have 100,000, 200,000 people on their mailing list. And so they'll come over to a website like Udemy, and they will rent out or loan out their mailing list. And so what you'll do is you'll come over to the website and you'll click on find sellers, and then you'll go out and you'll find sellers based on the specifications. And what you're doing here is you're buying clicks. Now, this is going to have mixed results. A lot of these guys have been on tens of thousands of mailing lists. And so a lot of this stuff goes straight to spam. Every once in a while, you will find a diamond in the rough where a person will buy. But this is another way. If you don't want to create your own content, you can buy your way to the top. You could also run Facebook ads as well. But I would caution you not to do that. That can be kind of an expensive game, especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. But you can see here that you could purchase clicks to get in front of a targeted audience that might be interested in the product that you're promoting. The clicks start at 40 cents, and you can buy anywhere between like 100 and 3,000 clicks and potentially make money. The other way, and I think the better way to do this, is actually with your email list. As you can see here, I've got Aweber up on the screen. And what I recommend that you do is start building your own mailing list. And you can build your own mailing list by creating content. And simply what you're going to do is you're going to create content based on the niche. Now, most of the products over on Muncheye.com are about making money online or business opportunity. And so you could create content, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, anywhere, just create content toward that target audience. And then you can recommend these products as they come up. Now, this is how you build your email list relatively quickly. You simply go out and create content that the target audience is going to be interested in. And then you're going to offer them something free in exchange for their email. For example, you could offer a free guide to make money online in 2023, 10 ways to make money online fast, 10 easiest Fiverr side gigs. You can offer that to them for free. They say, yes, I want that. They enter in their name and their email, and then they're added to your mailing list. Now, I recommend that you get started with Aweber simply because it's free for your first 500 subscribers, and it's relatively easy to get started. It doesn't look beautiful, but it gets the job done. And so build your own mailing list. And then the 5th way that you can do this is actually with TikTok. So what you could do is you could create a TikTok account, a TikTok profile, talking about these different products. Now, because you are launch jacking basically every day, and this is something I'll talk about in just a minute, you are going to need a website. And the best website for beginners, in my opinion, I'll put a link down in the description, but it's simply with Bluehost. It's really easy to get started, and you can create something relatively quickly. You could use Linktree, but I created a video about why no one should use Linktree, why Linktree is hurting your business. So that is the step-by-step process. Step 1 is you find a product over on Muncheye.com. Step 2, you figure out your bonuses. You put a list of bonuses together. Step 3, you're going to go out and create content. Step 4, you're going to repeat the process. Now, let me rant for just a few minutes as to why I don't like launch jacking as a sustainable business. Simply put, you have to be on the hamster wheel every single day. Simply, these launches have major launches for maybe 2 or 3 days, and then the interest dies out, and the product creator is on to the next launch, essentially. And so you're going to have to create content on these launches every single day, or 6 times a week, in order for you to make a decent amount of income. Another problem that I have with launch jacking is, in my opinion, A lot of these guys are just professional launchers. They launch similar products month after month, and you have to kind of sell yourself as, hey, the product that I'm releasing or talking about today is the great product. And then tomorrow you have to say, hey, the product that I talked about yesterday, it's good, but not as great as this product today. And so you're constantly on this hamster wheel, essentially telling everyone that every product that you come across is a great product. And I don't think that's great for your brand. If you want to be around for a long time, and you want to start earning general passive income or semi-passive income, because there's no such thing really as passive income, you have to create a brand. You have to create something that your name stands on. And I think after a certain amount of time, people kind of get weary, and annoyed that every single day you're launching a new product, or 3 times a week you're launching a new product. And it's kind of hard to build trust, in my opinion, if every single day you're telling me this is the greatest product in the world and I've got 5,000 bonuses to help you. And that leads me to my other rant. If the product is so great, if it's a complete product, why are you offering $5,000 worth of bonuses for a product that is only $37? And I think people start to get hip to that. It gets annoying and frustrating for the consumer. And so it actually kind of turns them off and annoys them. So those are my reasons why I think that launch jacking isn't great for you as a business owner or brand. It can be good if you're just looking to start making some money. You're looking to start getting some traction online. You can start with launch jacking, but then move into something more sustainable. But I don't like the fact that every day you got to create content. For example, with my YouTube channel, because I talk about affiliate marketing, I don't have to constantly get up on that hamster wheel and make content and, pretend to be excited about a product that I don't really know much about. Also, all of the bonuses that you've got to put together to actually prop this product up. Oftentimes the product would not stand up on its own 2 legs without some propping, but those are the reasons why I'm not a huge fan of launch jacking. Now that you know how to start launch jacking as a complete beginner, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.